How will customers find you if Google can't? Can you imagine trying to send someone to your website when Google doesn't even know what your website is about? A good SEO strategy will help improve not only your website's organic performance, but your paid performance too. This is exactly what we want to do. We want to work hand in hand with Google as much as possible.
Next!
Poor image quality. And this could go either way. It could be your image file size is too large and it's taking forever to load. This can be annoying. Or your file size could be too small and your image could be blurry or pixelated and just poor quality. This would make it hard for users to make out what it even says in some cases. So we need to fix that.
Next!
Visual clutter is the worst thing for your website. Because can you imagine someone lands on your site and they have to fight with 7 different pop-ups, a subscription, and a sale for Christmas in July? It's so confusing, especially if you're on your mobile device. So to avoid this, try and keep your page as clean as you can. Remove any sort of images which aren't there for a specific purpose. And try and limit your pop-ups to maybe 1 per site and possibly get it to pop up when they leave the site rather than when they visit the site.
Next!
Let's face it, your call to action sucks. I mean, look at this. You can't even read what that says. Now imagine that's your website. You need to make sure it is as clear as day what you want people to do on your site. You have to almost think that they're not going to do it without you telling them what to do. So whether it's make a purchase or request a callback or even submit a simple form, you need to ensure that you're telling your users exactly what to do when they land on your site. And then on top of that, making it as bold as possible.
Next! Next!
Too many choices. I don't know if you've heard this story, you could probably look it up, but there was once this time where there was this ice cream shop that sold chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. And it was there for many, many years. One day across the street, another ice cream shop opened, and it had every flavor you could imagine. It was the latest craze. Everyone was rushing to this new shop. Everyone was there. Line was out the door. The owner of the shop came across to the old man that owned the ice cream shop with just the 3 flavors and asked him, "Why do I never see a line outside your door?" The old man laughed and said, "Well, when people come to my shop, they get exactly what I'm selling. Whereas I can only imagine there's a line out your door because people do not know what to choose." Now, I may have butchered that, but my point is, keep your options simple. If you are running an ad that is for a specific product, you need a standalone page for that product. In the checkout process, sure, you can offer them more options. But if you want to capitalize on increasing your conversion rate, the best thing you can do is ensure that you are limiting the choices for the user that's visiting your site. Less is more.
Next!
Oh, hi, I've been in this line for 20 minutes now. Please can I buy this pen? Of course, just go to the back of the line really quickly. But, why?
Next!
Another reason your website is not converting is because you are not subscribed to this channel. I know. Can you believe it? Please make sure to subscribe and like this video. It's the best thing you can do for your website.
Next!
Slow website speeds.
There is nothing worse than a slow internet connection. Actually, there is. The perception of a slow internet connection when you have fast internet. If your website is taking a long time to load, that is the main reason someone is jumping off. You need your website to be clear and load as quickly as possible. So whether this is removing images, making images smaller, or simply having a page full of text, that might be the difference between a 1% conversion rate and a 3% conversion rate. What you need to do is ensure that your website loads as quickly as possible. Remember, people have very short attention spans.
Next!
You need to prove that you are a real person or company. Having social media attached to your website helps new users do some research about you before they make the purchase. This is very important because users today would rather do the research and get the product that they trust over the product that is probably the cheapest in some cases. So linking your social media, whatever channel it may be, to your website is a definite must.
Next.
Now this one may go against the grain, but oftentimes there is no connection between your landing page and your ad that you are showing people. And what I found is if you are focusing your landing page around your ad, you are going to see better results because people click on the ad expecting to find what they are clicking on. If you have a landing page that offers many different products, but your ad is for one specific thing on that product, when they click on the ad and they land on this page and then they have to search for what they were looking for, it is a deterrent already. People are already on the back foot looking to leave your site, which obviously we don't want. So my advice is to take a landing page and focus it around the ad rather than the other way around. This way people know what they are in for.